Hey everybody, Paul with StreamDeck here, and this is the brand new StreamDeck Studio. This has 30 buttons. We're showing here in a single rack unit. So we've got two of these rack units here. This is shown with BitFocus Companion. A couple of the big new features here being released at IBC. One of them is this is now powered over Ethernet. So you can power this over an Ethernet connection or USB-C. You've got 30 buttons here, right? 32? 32 buttons here. And you've got a knob. And the knob can be used to go kind of scroll through buttons so you can have multiple pages. You can do selections. And then, of course, it's being used with BitFocus Companion as the controller. So it can be connected to BitFocus Companion over a network connection or over USB-C. And then the really big new feature is that BitFocus now has a subscription model where they have BitFocus buttons that adds a whole bunch of new features and functionality we'll look at in a second. So this is the brand new Elgato Studio one rack unit module. Really, really cool. Let's take a look at BitFocus buttons.
This is like a companion.
Like companion, but it's got some extra features?
Yeah, definitely.
And what are the features?
We have even more user-friendly setup.
Okay.
We have what we call sections. So you can have a lot of buttons inside a section, and then you can easily move around all of them at once, really quickly. And here we have a scrollable section as well. So there are, inside that little space with 12 buttons, you have 200 buttons.
Wow.
Just by scrolling over here, you can see all of them in the middle section there.
Where? What middle section?
In that middle section.
Oh, go ahead, do that again.
Yeah, here you have it.
Oh, I see the buttons moving. Okay. So as I move this, those buttons are changing. Oh wow! And what happens when I click that button?
Then you go to another section.
Oh. So you're getting all these sections that you're building inside this new buttons display.
Yeah, that's right.
Very cool.
Other features we have here are the authenticated section.
Oh.
Show you over here. You can press a button, and now you have the ability to enter a PIN code you decide.
Oh.
And now you've protected all of these buttons from access from someone who's not competent to use.
So a bunch of new features for BitFocus buttons, including the ability to scroll between additional spaces, make the most out of this 32 button, one rack unit device, plus the ability to have authentication with a password, but also, I understand RFD as well.
As well? Yeah.
Wow, can I see that again?
Yeah, sure.
So just go whoop. And RFD, so that'll unlock your specific, user-specific access.
Yeah.
So user-specific access with RFD cards. This is really great.
And a few other features we have there. We have a layered section where you can have folders with more buttons.
Folders, cool.
And we also can create a little menu we call Popover, where you have even more features stacked beneath.
Wow, so this is called the new feature called Popover. Boom, and it takes over some of the buttons when you need them. And then it closes when you don't need them. Wow, that's a cool feature. And that's all with the buttons.
Yeah.
And how much does BitFocus buttons cost?
The subscription models are on our website.
Okay.
With the different tiers and the details.
Got it.
So we have an option for everyone, even
all right.
freelancers.
So take a look at the website for the pricing, but it is a subscription model for this additional feature.
We also have a buyout option.
And a full, a single license option as well, so you don't have to pay for a subscription forever. The Elgato StreamDeck Studio is $899, $899 US. Wow, really cool. Thank you for the demo.